What's up guys, and we have the official complete look of the OnePlus 7 Pro. Breaking news indeed. We're so many days away from the official announcement. This is crazy. This is the complete look of the Pro model, pretty much confirming everything and some surprising details. So the official look came with two flavors. We have the matte black color as well as this new gradient blue color, which is darker on the top and then it's lighter towards the bottom. I have to say it looks really good. So the most surprising thing about the design is the bezels. Look at the chin on this phone. It is so damn small. They managed to further reduce the chin compared to their last year's OnePlus 6T model, and it definitely looks slimmer than some of the recent flagship phones that we have seen. And just overall, it looks really good. The top bezel is almost non-existent. It's not only a bezel-less display, but it's also an A+ display panel, as tested by DisplayMate already, so it's gonna be almost as good as the Galaxy S10 Plus, which also got the A+ rating. And something that's gonna set this phone apart, which is its 90Hz refresh rate, so that is confirmed as well. Now, one small thing that I did not discuss in my previous videos is the front camera. So this phone is going to have an elevated front camera design, kind of like the Oppo F11 Pro. It will have a resolution of 16 megapixel with f2.0 aperture, so you're gonna get sharp selfies. The display panel is 6.67 inch. It's almost as big as the Galaxy Note 10 Pro that's gonna come later down the year, and it also has 1440p HD resolution. As far as the button configuration is concerned, it is all very OnePlus-y. You can see we have the volume rocker on the left, power as well, your notification slider or mute switch towards the right. Switching towards the back, you can see we have the all new triple camera setup. The main 48 megapixel sensor coming with f1.6 aperture, along with 3x optical zoom, and then there is this third wide angle lens which is coming at 16 megapixels, so you're gonna get wide angle photos, a feature we have seen on pretty much every new phone that is announced, and it is something that we're gonna see on the future iPhone models as well. Now under the hood we have Snapdragon 855 chip along with 6, 8 and 12 GB of RAM capacities, so it all depends on which model you go for. While there is no micro SD card slot for storage expansion, you still get 128 gigs of internal memory along with 256 GB of internal memory as well. And this phone is also said to have UFS 3.0 storage, something we have seen on the Galaxy Fold, so it has faster read and write speed compared to the phones that we have on the market. And it's also the first OnePlus phone to have a 4000 mAh battery. You guys already know how good OnePlus 6T is when it comes to my battery drain testing, and this one with 4000 might actually win the whole game. Again, we'll see when these phones are in my hand. Along with this, we also get 30 watts of rapid charging. There will be a 5G Pro model as well, which will have slight design changes in order to differentiate between the non-5G variants. And then there's going to be a cheaper OnePlus 7 model, which will be similar to the 6T as far as the design is concerned, but have updated internals. So that's all we have on the OnePlus 7 family. Pretty much everything is right here in front of you. I want to hear your thoughts regarding the Pro model. Even though it's going to have a price increase, do you think it's going to be a flagship killer in 2019? Let me know, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.